It's the kind of utterance that a pastor would belt out from the pulpit. All Jamaican athletes and sports stars don't pay enough attention to marketing and their image and their media presence, and that is why they don't make enough money. And and the congregation would they go preach it, brother, preach it, hallelujah. But I am not convinced. Now, first of all the examples used as reference, the LeBron James, Serena Williams, Tiger Woods, Cristiano Ronaldo, etc. The argument is, look how much money these people are making. Even Usain Bolt, they say, is an example of how athletes must market themselves and blah, blah, blah. The fact of the matter is, though, none of these superstars earn their fame and fortunes because of marketing. They are who they are because they are winners and champion performers. They are all pretty much the best in their respective sport in the world. And I have one example to dispel this notion about athletes being successful because of marketing. Lionel Messi must have the most docile and boring personality in all of sports. He hardly even talks to the media. His image is the whole of him head. And Lionel Messi was the second highest earner to Floyd Mayweather Jr. on the latest Forbes magazine list of top 100 earning sports stars. Messi does not enjoy that stardom and make that money because of marketing and image. He made it because of his brilliance on the football pitch. So all the Jamaican athletes and sportsmen and women, make me tell you this, performance and excellence come first. Be the best. Fame and fortune will follow. And then you can do the marketing. Yes. And the image. Swag. Oh, well, I don't want to. Swag. Hey, see the image.